Very good morning everyone. So today I am going to teach you about the basic usage of your Node MCU, how to test your Node MCU. Okay. Of course, if you take any controller, that we will be testing with the blinking of the particular built-in LED. So that I am going to teach you now. So this is the basic program which will be used to blink your built-in LED. So I am going to declare one variable in the name of integer. So LED pin is the integer pin variable, and I am going to use my built-in LED. So the keyword is LED underscore built-in. If it is a keyword, then it will appear like a blue in color. Okay, predefined keywords, and predefined functions will be something looking like this red in color. Okay, and here we are going to use some setup part. In setup part, most probably we will declare our serial monitors bit rate and the pin mode. So here, if you wish to see the output in serial monitor, then you can use one specific baud rate. So here in my case, I am going to use 1,15,200 because it is a standard format for my Node MCU ESP8266 controller. And I am going to use my pin mode as the output mode because I am going to blink my LED, so it is the output for my controller. And that's all about my setup part. In the loop part, I have on and off conditions. So for that I am using a digital write command. So this particular function used to write certain high voltage or low voltage onto a specific pin. Okay, so I am assigning the high voltage to the LED pin, that is a built-in LED. Of course, this particular pin is a D0 pin of my Node MCU. And serial monitor, I am setting it as LED is turned on, and I am giving a half a second delay. So this is a millisecond delay. 500 millisecond in the sense it is a half a second. And after half a second, I am going to make my LED off. So by sending low command to the LED pin via this digital write function. And in the serial monitor, I am displaying it like LED is turned off, and I am waiting for another one half a second, and I am repeating this particular loop. Okay, so after that you have to go to tools and choose the right board. So here I have installed the board ESP8266 2.5.0. this is the standard board, and if you use advanced board, you will be getting some trouble like default resetting conditions. Okay, so in order to avoid that, you go with it, installing this 2.5.0. how to install this, I have added in another one video. You watch that and you install this particular board. This is a stable board. Okay, and you choose Node MCU 1.0 ESP12E module here for the board. And next one is go to tools and select the port in which your Node MCU is connected. Here in my case it is COM5. Okay, next one, you have to upload the code. Before that you can verify, but even if you click on to this upload, it will automatically verify as well as it will upload the code. Okay, you click on this, or otherwise you can type Ctrl U. Okay, so by pressing the Ctrl U also, you will be getting the same uploading task. So when the code is started uploading, you will be seeing the uploading process here in percentage wise. This will happen only with the board version 2.5.0. Suppose if you have updated to the higher version, then it will be showing like some percentage alone here at the bottom. But my suggestion is you go with this 2.5.0 version of this particular board, ESP board. So it will be something appearing like this: 30%, 60, 190 and 100%. Now it is completely uploaded, and click on this serial monitor and you can see the LED is turned on and off. Meantime, you can see this built-in LED is turned on and off. Okay, in order to show the external output, I am also connected the D0 pin with the ground. Okay, D0 pin will be connected to this LED. So these two will be opposite to each other. Suppose if the built-in LED is turned off, then light will be turned on. Okay, so if I wish to change the timing, simply I can increase or decrease this particular delay. Okay, then automatically the speed of this particular blinking will be changed. And thank you for watching. Keep watching my channel for more videos. Thank you.